Let's talk about kabocha versus buttercup squash. Kabocha squash and buttercup squash may look similar in appearance, but they aren't the same. However, they are both from the family of gourds. Kabocha and buttercup squash may look weird and unattractive, but trust me, their taste is simply unique. What is kabocha squash? Kabocha squash is a Japanese type of winter squash that is gaining popularity these days for good reasons. Kabocha is a universal term for winter squash and pumpkin in Japan. Then in the United States, the term kabocha is regarded as a kind of cucurbita maxima squash that was bred in Japan. They are filled with rich beta-carotene, iron, fiber, vitamin C, and other great nutrients. They are low in calories and carbs. 1 cup of kabocha squash is just 40 calories and 7 grams of carbohydrates. What is buttercup squash? Buttercup squash is also a type of winter squash. It is one of the tastiest varieties of winter squash. They are squatty and round, and they also look like a pumpkin with a belly button. Their rind or outer surface is green and the inner flesh is orange-yellow. Buttercup squash is also packed with great nutrients such as vitamins A and C, beta-carotene, and fiber. When you have the flesh color more intense, the more vitamin A it has. Differences between kabocha squash and buttercup squash. Size, shape and moisture. Buttercup squash is a bit bigger than kabocha, and buttercup also has a bit of moisture than kabocha. The shape of buttercup squash is blockier than kabocha squash. Base. The base of kabocha squash usually appears button-like. Buttercup, on the other hand, has a distinctive round ridge on its base. Exterior part. The exterior part of buttercup squash is smoother compared to kabocha. Flesh. Kabocha, however, has a denser flesh. The flesh of buttercup squash is sweet and dry, but not as dry as the flesh of kabocha squash. Seed core. The seeds in the inner part of buttercups are packed much closer to their base. The seeds packaging for kabocha, on the other hand, is more centered. Buttercup and kabocha similarities. Both are shaped like pumpkins, and these two squash have thick skin. They are both round with dark green color. Both have a belly button. Their inner flesh is both orange-yellow. Both are winter squash. Both are great for culinary use. How long does it take for buttercup squash to mature? Seeds take between 7 and 14 days to germinate. By day 50, you'll start seeing fruits. These take a few more weeks before they're ready for harvest. Buttercup squash fruits aren't particularly big. To determine if your squash is ready, feel its cap. If the cap is firm, the squash is ready for harvest. How long does buttercup squash last? You can store your buttercup squash for about 13 weeks. Under ideal storage circumstances, it'll stay fresh. I suggest using a dark cabinet, drawer, shelf, or pantry. The average temperature should not exceed 50 degrees Fahrenheit. Before using your stored buttercup squash, you can test it for freshness. If the squash feels firm, it's still good to use. When is a kabocha squash ripe? It takes about 55 days to mature. After this, they're ripe and ready to harvest. Depending on which type you grow, you can look at the skin color to determine ripeness. Most varieties will be green, orange, or gray. When do you harvest kabocha squash? You can harvest the squash when it's ripe or even before. It will continue to ripen off the vine. If you fear frost, I suggest getting your squash off the vine before it hits. You can also use frost cloth if you're confident this will help. Typically, kabocha squash is ready to harvest in late summer and early fall. Is kabocha squash acidic or alkaline? There are many ways to prepare it, and its pH is neutral once cooked and digested. This squash also contains vitamins A, B6, and C. It's packed with potassium, manganese, folate, riboflavin, and copt. Conclusion. With kabocha and buttercup similarities, it's no surprise these two squash are often confused or mislabeled. Even with their differences, both kabocha and buttercup squash are regarded as a single type in breeding and marketing. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.